So we're on a remote little island in Kushtia, which has only been connected to the mainland 6 years ago, and I'm getting some funny looks here. Hello. Come on. Come on, Nacho. This?
Carrom, Bangladeshi Carrom.
Bangladeshi Carrom. Oh, okay.
Very nice.
Never
game.
seen this. Very nice game. I have no idea what the concept is. You have to get this in hole. Oh, yep. Never seen this. See you. Okay. Let's see what reactions we get in here. Namaste.
You will get a lot of friends here.
Okay. You think I'll get a lot of friends? Let's see.
Let's bet.
Bet? Hello. Come on, Nacho. Huh? The red?
100 rupees if you get the red one.
100 rupees. You want to place a bet? The game seems to have stopped. They see the phone now and okay, we're back in. Still can't quite get the hang of this game.
Now it's 19 point versus 19 point.
19 versus 19. And the rest watching a movie. Tea house. Bangladeshi pub. Huh? Okay, so now we have too many of us. Hello, how are you, brother?
Hello.
Name, sorry?
Farzad.
Farzad, Kane, pleasure to meet you. So now there's too many of us to travel in the auto, so this is our new auto. Ghetto style. This thing is crazy. They classify this vehicle as a
human-run
van.
three-wheeled vehicle. A man is running by his legs, and we have to get down now.
Betel leaf. So this is the, when you see people spit, the red, this is it, yeah?
This is it.
And what is this? I have no idea what to expect. I have no idea what this even is or what sensation it gives. This is common, like a lot of people do this.
Yeah. Pizza shop, there's shops like you'll find a lot.
And the lighter.
Lucky sweets.
And this? What?
Those are like
Sweets?
sweets, herbs. Sweets, herbs, tobacco as well and stuff. Some candy.
So you will also try it with me. Have you tried before?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think?
Some sorts of like, yeah, it tastes sweet.
Tastes sweet?
Those sugars.
Sure. Is it like it's a dessert, sweet, or what? Like, I'm kind of confused. I don't know what to expect.
You'll listen.
Yeah, okay. I will soon find out.
Shit, so much sugar.
And this?
Probably sugar.
Oh my god. Okay, I didn't expect this. I thought it was gonna be some, maybe it's a sugar high. That's the high maybe from the bit.
Usually they don't mix lots of things like that. So
But-
we told him to make it sweet. That's why he's making all this shit here.
But do you get some high from the leaf or anything like this?
Yes, there is one thing you get high from.
Okay.
He didn't get it in there.
Okay.
He didn't put it in there.
He's putting alfoil?
I don't know what's that.
Okay, I don't know. I've never eaten alpha oil before. Okay. You just chew
Yeah, it's chew.
the whole thing?
Yeah. Market?
Dhanyabad. Okay, it's so much chewing. Still trying to process it. So sweet. Jaw kind of hurts from the chewing. Kind of like a mouth freshener. But it was so strange. Do you swallow the leaf? No.
No, it's chewing. Or you can slow it slowly.
So now we're coming to the train station. This place, this place feels like going back in time.